Good morning, good morning. How do you do? I am fine, I am fine. How are you? Children, how are you today? I hope all of you are awesome. I am your Goldie ma'am. Children, you have already learnt about birds in general awareness. So in today's session, we will be doing the revision of birds. So welcome to the magical world of birds. Children, do you know there are different types of birds? And birds have two eyes, two legs, feathers to fly, a tail and a beak. Can you tell me where do birds live, children? Yes, they live in a nest. Children, which bird is this? Parrot. Do you know parrot is a pet bird और उसे हम तोता कहते हैं. Tell me, what is the color of a parrot? Green. And do you know the color of its beak? Yes, it is red in color. Parrot को क्या खाना अच्छा लगता है? Parrot likes to eat chilies. It is an attractive bird. Tell me, which bird is this? A crow. It is black in color and it is found everywhere. It eats grains, fruits and dead animals. This is an eagle. It is a very large bird and it can fly very high in the sky. Children, it has the ability to see from a height. This is a sparrow. Sparrow को बच्चों हम चिड़िया बोलते हैं. It has brown, black and grey feathers. It eats seeds, insects and fruits. This is a duck. It eats small fish, grass and seeds. बच्चों, आपको पता है कि डक जमीन पे चल भी सकते हैं, पानी में तैर भी सकते हैं और हवा में उड़ भी सकते हैं. Tell me, which bird is this? Peacock. Children, it is the most beautiful bird among the other birds. It is our national bird. It eats fruits, insects and seeds. आपको पता है, जब बारिश होती है तो पिकॉक अपने पंख फैलाकर डांस करता है. बच्चों, बताओ यह कौन सा बर्ड है? हाँ, उल्लू. ऊ से उल्लू. This is an owl. Most of the owls sleep during the daytime and search for food during the night. It eats insects, small birds and rats. This is a kingfisher. It is a small and colorful bird. It is mostly found near rivers as its main food is fish. This is a penguin. It is black and white in color. It lives on island. It is a flightless bird. That means it cannot fly. This is a rooster. It is a male gender of a hen. It is a colorful bird. It eats grains, seeds, and worms. This is a flamingo. It is a tall bird and pink in color. It is mostly found near rivers and ponds. This is a dove. It is found in every part of the world. It is known as the bird of peace. It loves to eat insects, seeds, nuts, and fruits. This is a pigeon. It has small feet and a small beak. It eats seeds, grains, and cereals. Children, there are different kinds of pigeons. पिजन को हम कबूतर भी बुलाते हैं. This is a vulture. It is a large bird of prey. It has powerful feet, hooked beak, and broad wings. Vultures mostly eat dead animals. This is a crane. It is a tall bird with long legs. It can swim in the water. Cranes eat seeds, insects, and other small birds. Children, see what I have for you. 2 little dicky birds. This is Peter and this is Paul. So, let us sing together the rhyme related to birds. 2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Enjoy, children. Now, children, I will explain you the worksheet related to birds. Children, I know all of you love to do coloring. So, in this worksheet, you have to color the given picture neatly. Now tell me, children, this is the picture of which bird? Yes, it is a parrot. What is the color of a parrot, children? Yes, it is green in color. And do you know the color of its beak? It is red in color. So, children, you will fill the colors in the picture of a parrot with appropriate colors and nicely. Children, I hope you had fun learning about birds. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.